I was trying to raise this issue in the parliament, but I didn't get the opportunity to that. And anytime when I get it in the coming days, I will be raising this issue. But it has been a week now. I'm pretty worried. There is an unfortunate and, in fact, a very strange incident happened. One person called Laisham Kamal Babu, a 56-year-old man who works as a supervisor of a construction company called Vinod Construction, was working inside the garrison, a military garrison in Manipur at Leimakong, which is the headquarters of the 57 Mountain Division, which is also called the Red Shield Division of the Indian Army. He was working inside the campus. On 25th of November at 9 a.m. he entered the army garrison. His signature is there at the entry point, but there is no signature of coming out. That means he was inside, and so he disappeared from within the army campus. And there is no information to date about what happened to him. This is very strange, that a person's disappeared from the army cantonment or army garrison. Many people suspect that he might have been kidnapped by the Kukis because seemingly, reportedly, there is a road connecting the Kuki-dominated areas of Churachandpur district and the Kangpokpi district, which passes through these army camp. So many people started saying that he must have been kidnapped by this. But whatever it is, there is no information. One of the rare and strange things that have happened, that a civilian got disappeared within the army campus. So I was trying to raise this issue in the parliament, but I didn't get the opportunity to that. And anytime when I get it in the coming days, I will be raising this issue. But it has been a week now. I'm pretty worried. So I appealed through the media to our Defense Minister, Sri Rajnath Ji, and our Chief of the Army Staff to personally look into these issues